Inspiration Restoration is a viewer-supported show. To learn more on how you can get involved and to watch extended ad-free versions of these videos, please visit our website, inspirationrestoration.com, and click the Patreon icon to support this show. Visit us on Facebook at fb.me/inspirationrestoration. Please subscribe and click the like button. Be sure to click notifications to be informed as soon as new videos are posted. We invite you to leave us your comments. Thanks again for joining us, and let's begin this episode. Thanks for joining us on this extended video which contains info and pictures. The boat is located on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, which is about a 20-hour drive from where we live. We arrived to find it on the hard after it had been recovered, waiting patiently for our inspection. The only outside damage was the engine room covers and a bent port rudder caused by a recovery airbag deployment. Inside the aft bedroom, you will see the hanging locker on the port side. Under a floor panel, you will find this exhaust valve. It failed, causing the boat to take on water. After securing a temporary fix, we were ready to relaunch her and have moved her to her new home in Savannah, Georgia. After a good night's sleep, we arrived at about 8:30 on Hilton Head Island. The boat was waiting in front of the lift well, and we were waiting on high tide. After a few inspections and all through holes closed, the travel lift entered the well. There we were on the bow, excited and nervous, executing all our long thought out plans. We tried to relax and give the impression that we actually knew what we were doing. We even had time to wave at our buddy who was on the ground, safe and secure. We took a few moments to discuss our plans, and then reality set in. We wouldn't have any room for errors, so I went below to watch things as the boat was lowered. As it turns out, I'm glad I was in the aft cabin. As soon as the boat went in, we were taking on water. The temporary repair held, however, it was passing huge amounts of water on the stern side of the valve. I searched frantically and found the cause. It was a broken hose clamp. Luckily, I had extras and proceeded to install a new one. After that leak was fixed, I found another smaller leak around the trim tab stuffing box. All I could do for that was to monitor it. We had spare pumps, so we didn't figure that that would be an issue. So we figured, what the heck, let's go. Now it's time for faith as we start our journey. We're in the water. The tow captain instructed us on what to expect, and we prepared to depart. Interesting note, this marina, Palmetto Bay, was completely destroyed in 2016 by Hurricane Matthew. Right over there is where a 56-foot Constellation landed. She was repaired and set on her way. That is actually documented on another YouTube channel. That will be the direction we go. As we waited, a pirate ship came in. After she departed, we pulled out and started our adventure. Of course, Chris was quick to get to the flybridge to start the journey.
I'm king of the world!
The views were stunning, even if we were being towed. We even had a few moments where porpoises came up alongside and swam with us. Now that was a memory. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but look close as they come up alongside of us on the starboard side. Try to zoom in. I don't know if you can see them. It really doesn't look like you can see them, but trust me, they were there. Savannah is absolutely gorgeous. The whole trip took us about 8 hours. If you don't include my stress level, the trip was pretty awesome. I can't wait to do it again on our own power. It's just beautiful. Wait, there's a bridge ahead, Captain. Look at the size vessels docked near it. Safely past the boats, we got to go under our first drawbridge. The tow captain was a little concerned about this one. But no worries, we made it safe and sound. We finally arrive and tie up. We're at low tide and high tide won't hit for another 3 hours, so our work is cut out for us. Man the pumps for an unexpected overnight docking. If we make it through the night, we're set to be pulled at high tide in the morning. Keep your fingers crossed. Thanks again to my buddies for all their help and patience keeping me calm through the whole process. Thanks for watching the extended version of The Transport.